Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Yahoo with your current password and completing any two-step verification. Once signed in, go straight to Account Info and then Account Security. This is where recovery contacts live. You need your new recovery email address typed out and accessible on another device so you can receive a verification code. Doing this first prevents lockouts later, and it speeds the process because Yahoo will require verification before making changes to your recovery details. Next, select Recovery Email and choose Add or Edit to enter the new address. Type it carefully to avoid typos. Yahoo will immediately send a verification code to that address, so open that inbox, find the message, and copy the code. Then return to Yahoo, paste or type the verification code, and confirm. This step proves you control the recovery address, which is why verification is required. Make sure the code is entered before it expires, so Yahoo will accept and save the new recovery email. Finally, save the changes and decide whether to remove any old recovery email addresses to reduce confusion. Once updated, test the setup by initiating a forgot password flow and confirming the recovery email receives the reset code. If you don't get a code, check spam folders and confirm the address was typed correctly. Request a resend or wait a few minutes, then try again. If issues persist, verify you can sign into the recovery email account itself. Then repeat verification in Yahoo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.